The number one thing that I would tell everyone and that sticks out in my memory is how helpful all the professors were. I think every single professor that I had my entire time there, if I emailed them, I would get a response within minutes or an hour. Dean Miller at the Grand Rapids campus, sometimes it felt like he had responded to the emails before I had even finished writing them. Every single professor, though, if I ever had a question, it was incredibly easy to not only get office time set up with them to come in, sometimes on a weekly basis if I was struggling with material, but after class or before class. Obviously during class they were always great at answering any questions anyone may have. But the number one thing that sticks out of my mind is just how helpful and approachable all of the professors were my entire time there. One thing I was afraid of going into law school is, and everyone talks about it, it's super competitive, it's cutthroat, it's everyone's trying to be number one. What I had found was I was able to develop a study group, and we were competitive, but it was a, hey, I want to beat you on this, but let's work to get better together. Anytime we were in the library basically all night, every night, but we were really pushing each other to get better. It was a healthy competition and not trying to undercut one another. So to me, when I think of what it means to be a WMU Cooley graduate, is two things come to mind. First, it's the reputation among other attorneys is that they all are, for lack of a better term, incredibly real people, very easy to talk to, and nobody acts like they're above anybody. It's a great professionalism in the industry, and that we do have the reputation that nobody outworks us. You come to Cooley because you want to work. That's how you get there, that's how you succeed there, and that is the number one thing that translates to the working industry is you won't be successful as an attorney if you aren't willing to put in the work, and that's what they help you develop at Cooley.